Hello dear fans. Where did the Mayans live? The Mayan people are known for their independence and developed way of life. Their tribes built great cities, founded terrible and amazing rituals, and also invented a calendar that in 2012 scared almost half of humanity with its chronology, promising the end of the world. Where did these mysterious people live and where are they today? Who are the Maya? The main clans of the Maya tribes were formed by independent city-states, possessing adjacent towns and lands. These states were ruled by the so-called Great People who were elected for life and enjoyed unlimited power. The most ancient Mayan cities, Quirigua, Itzá, and Tikal, after the seizure of the tribal lands by the Toltec Kukulkan and his warriors, were supplemented by such new states as Chichen Itzá, Mayapan and Yulimal. The size and beauty of the Mayan cities amazed travelers, who first saw such splendor in people whom they considered barbarians. Also, the creations of the Maya were luxurious palaces and temples, the wealth of architecture of which was 100 times superior to the Inca and Aztec structures. Maya scientists were hundreds of years ahead of their time, making tremendous discoveries in astronomy, astrology, and mathematics that surpassed all the achievements of Europeans living at that time. Many of these discoveries were understood and deciphered only in our century. In addition, the Mayan authorship belongs to the numbering system and the number 0. Mayan life. In ancient times, the Maya tribe inhabited Central America, part of modern Mexico, El Salvador, Honduras and Guatemala. Today, the Maya are tribes of Indians living in South America. During the heyday of their civilization, they managed to conquer all the ancient peoples, dominating them for about 12 centuries. However, after 900 AD, the Mayan culture, for some unknown reason, began to slowly die. Scientists are still wondering how a primitive farming tribe was able to create unique pyramids, temples, cities, and tombs. The colonialists of the Old World, who arrived in South America, found a civilization in complete decline. Considering the works of art and architectural monuments as pagan idols, they destroyed all the cultural heritage of the mysterious Maya. However, the colonialists failed to destroy their knowledge of astronomy, the accuracy of which modern scientists never cease to admire. They also left to the descendants the ruins of the once great and royal cities of the Maya people, where many tourists and fans of the disappeared civilization are striving today. There is an opinion that the Mayan tribes were given knowledge by the gods who descended from the sky aliens, but, unfortunately, this theory still remains unproven, despite the obvious facts testifying in its favor. Thanks for watching.